Okay, 1 minute. यहाँ पे ना पूरा फ्लोर it becomes a clock. Other side, globe. Now a clock. I think this is a room. Oh, it's a glass. I don't know. Photos and videography is not allowed in the exhibition. Well, it is allowed in the mansion. Let's go. So let's go. So guys, अभी हम साकिब म्यूजियम में पहुंच गए. चलिए अंदर चलते हैं. I'm so excited. Make sure to subscribe. घोड़े तू नीचे उतरेगा. ये उतारू. यहाँ पे क्लोज दिखा रहा है लेकिन गार्ड बोले कि वहाँ से एंट्री करनी है. इतनी चढ़ाई करके तो सांस फूल गई. After all, I was near to trees. Not just trees, a lot of trees. So let's dig deep. There's some rules. The guard told me that there are two ways. One is in the mansion, one is in the exhibition. Photos and videography is not allowed in the exhibition. Well, it is allowed in the mansion. Let's go. So let's go in the mansion because that's the only option. Again, chadai. What's up? Alright, the place I was going was correct. It's left. Okay, it's all in Turkish. I won't be able to read it, I guess. Well, my watch says, congrats, 10,000 steps. Thank you. So this is how in olden times the painting was. It had layers and layers from to here. Okay, so what does this want to say? I don't understand about this. Let's go to a better place first, like this one, or maybe someone. From the other side, it looks like a globe, but if you come near, it becomes a clock. Other side, globe. Now a clock. It looks awesome. So यहाँ पर मोस्टली कुछ समझ नहीं आया क्योंकि ये पेंटिंग में कुछ कोड यानी ओनली आर्टिस्ट को ही समझ आएगा इसके बारे में. We have this really good statue, a good table with a big pot and some babies on it. Nothing inside. A huge vase. Wow. It has some king's photos and here like emperors, gladiators, One more same statue like that one. Some pots. यहाँ पे है living area. Okay, इस कारपेट के बारे में ही फेरान प्रेयर नमाज. Oh my god, guys, what a beautiful dining room. Yeah, what a beautiful dining room. Nice. Okay, so first we have the painting. We gotta find the painting. Guys, where is the painting? Find it in this room. I'm making you play games with me actually. Like, I did not get this thing, to be honest. Is it tablet? Okay, it means something. Okay, here we have the Harry's Halasi. Find it in the room, guys. Masterpiece living room. Wow. The most best thing in this room was the vase. Yep. It's the best thing I've seen. And this thing is so down on my head, I feel like it's gonna fall on me. A 360 view. Nice. Find it in the room, guys. I hope you cannot find it. You won't be able to find it. Can't find it. Okay, so next we have find it in the room, guys. It's right here. Lol. Okay, then we have something called keep. This room is too easy to find because it's everything on its front. We have something outside as well. Okay, nothing here. Some blue dibbas here. That's it. And it's getting crowded. We've covered this part. Second, really good living room with a fireplace. Let's start from the starting once more. Find it in your room, guys. You cannot find it because you're not a good player. Guys, who puts a mirror so up in the wall? Like, what? Are the older people are this much, I guess. Whoever made this house must be a dumb guy, because he hasn't subscribed my channel yet. Time to play the game. Find the monuments, guys. I need some water. If any of you guys has some water, no, right? Then why are you here, house? Why? By the way, this is the mansion, okay, guys? Olden time mansion, plus it's pretty luxurious. I just saw that monument. It's somewhere there. It's somewhere there. I won't show it to you. But here's a room tour once more. And we are done. Okay, time for the next item. The big painting is 480p. We need 180p. I mean 1080p. Yep, right here. Okay, yeah. Time to go upstairs. Some really big and huge drawing of super duper duper beautiful light over here. Some really good painting over here, guys. All the way up. I mean all the way here. And here's what it means. Sakıp. Okay, there's some Quran over here. Oh, there's some egg. I see egg over there. I don't know why I see cooking lessons. The boundary you see in black is stamp. Okay, there's eggs out. But I don't understand this video. This is paper and scissors. I wonder where the scissor is. Okay, Google, where is the scissor? Right in front of you. Oh, this is scissor. This looks like a blade when you cut your hair. They put something on the back of your head like a blade, you know. Okay, that is a writing box. I don't know what type of box is that. Like, how can a paper even fit on that thing? From 18th century. The scissors are from second half of the 19th century. Okay, this is gum Arabic and a lot of things over here. We have Quran over here. Illuminated opening spread of Quran. Okay, a lot of books, some more Quran over here. Whoa, that's how it made. Okay, this is always what I wanted to see. Wow. Okay, a lot of Quran. Why are they open? But verses from Haksura, Rihani script. थर्ड तो इस सारी ये भी कुरान है. चलिए टाइम देखते ही क्या है. ओह नो 5 बजने वाले. ओह नो कहाँ जाओ. बाद में ऊपर एक प्रोजेक्टर है, नीचे दिखा रहा है, काफ़ी सुंदर है. गाइस ये सारी कुरान ही है. ओके, वी हैव टू लीव नाउ. वी हैव टू गेट टू अनदर म्यूजियम टू शो यू गाइस कंटेंट. I have no content. There's some more Quran over here. And some Quran verses written on painting. We're gonna frame. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh. Okay. You have seen this stuff mostly in masjids as well. So guys, चलिए बात करते हैं. काफ़ी मज़ेदार म्यूज़ियम था. ओके 1 मिनट. यहाँ पे ना पूरा फ्लोर वुड से बना हुआ है, तो काफ़ी चलने में डर लगता है कि अभी ऐसा लगेगा एक पैर रखते आप गए नीचे गए, उसके बाद सीधा ऊपर बूम. So it's gonna be a little like that. It's almost 16:51. We have to rush out so bad. Oh my god. यहाँ से नीचे जाना है. ओके मैं तो आर्ट गैलरी में गया ही नहीं हूँ क्योंकि वहाँ पे कुछ कंटेंट बना ही नहीं सकते, तो इट्स यूजलेस. ऐसी कौन सा मोनालिसा में वहाँ पे चुरा दूँगा. By the way, Mona Lisa is not here. It's in some other country. By the way, this is a trivia. Comment down below which country is Mona Lisa. Comment down below. That's the museum shop. Let's just explore it real quick. Cups, books, coffee beans, rugs, towels, jewelry, paintings by Amara. Some really good city view over there. Look there. Nice.